manufacturing side of Eurocool's compressorized products. With me, I have Kirk, General Manager of SCM REF Africa, a trusted partner of Eurocool, who will be taking us on a tour through the factory today. Kirk, would you please be so kind as to tell our viewers what we will be expecting and what we will be seeing today?
Thank you. So I'll take you through the SCM facility here in Joburg. It's two-part, SCM on the compressor side and then Recam on the heat exchanger side. I'll be taking you through and show you how we make stuff.
And when was SCM REF Africa established?
SCM was established in 2001 under Phoenix Rex, and then in 2018 we changed over to SCM REF and we amalgamated or brought into the company Recam as well.
Shall we go?
Yes. Right, so this is the compressorized side of SCM Joburg.
And what is your guys' latest products that you're currently busy with for Eurocool?
Well, in partnership with Eurocool, they've now come up with what they call a Europack, which is a new unit that they're busy building, and we are currently busy manufacturing some of them for them.
So we're currently standing in front of this machine that's been built, and I do recognize the bitter compressor, but what exactly is this?
Okay, this is what we call a condensing unit. This is mainly built for the commercial refrigeration industry. And again, this is a partnership between SCM and Eurocool on the bitter compressor with the condensing unit from Recam.
And for what applications can you use this for?
It's in a normal cold room or a freezer room, you could use that. Okay. Alright, so now we're on the start of the Recam heat exchanger side. All Recam's parts are in-house manufactured. That's why we've got the machine. We've got some bending brakes, we've got punching machines, and we've got some hydraulic presses on that side. So everything that is used in the Recam heat exchanger is manufactured on site. Alright, so there's three main components in the manufacturing of a heat exchanger product. One is the parts, which we've now just seen in the machine shop. The second part is your copper tubing, which will give you your flow. And the third part will be your fins, which will give you the heat transfer. You can't do the whole thing, so I'm just going to show you how it's done. The fin press machines, which manufactures the fin material for the heat exchanger. Good, so now we come to the final assembly process where the three parts come together. Look. Parts manufacturing, your fins, and your copper tubing. Once we've finished with this, it goes through an expanding process, mechanical expanding process, over to the brazing. It gets tested at 30 bar in a testing tank, and then goes over to put electrics on, the fans.
So with everything, you guys always test everything before it goes out
Yes,
to
we do.
the customers or to Eurocool.
That is our critical quality point in our factory. Obviously, once you've got a leak, you lose refrigeration. So that is probably the most important part of our factory, is to make sure that the condenser or the evaporator holds pressure.
So much for the tour during the factory. It was very impressive to see how everything has been manufactured and tested for quality purposes.
It's okay.
Remember to hit that subscribe button for more information and more future videos of Eurocool. You can also like and follow us by clicking on the links below in the description. Keeping it cool with SCM REF Africa and Eurocool.